This video demonstrates the multiple spectrum view capability of the Rohde & Schwarz RTO 1044 oscilloscope. In this case, we're measuring the ripple and noise of a point of load regulator on a Picotest VRTS2 demonstration board. This demonstration board includes a point of load regulator, several clocks and oscillators, a linear regulator, and a voltage reference. Each of these signals contributes to the ripple on the point of load regulator. In the green traces, we're showing the 10 MHz clock output. And the yellow traces, we're showing the voltage at the point of load regulator output, which is coupled to a 50 ohm oscilloscope input using a Picotest J2130A bias injector as a DC blocker. Two spectrum view windows are included, one to show the low frequencies of the 2.8 MHz point of load regulator and its harmonics. And we're also showing the 10 MHz clock and its harmonics. In the lower spectrum window, we have higher frequency measurements indicating the 125 MHz clock and its respective harmonics. Two measurement windows are included to do harmonic searches of those two windows. One displaying the harmonic frequencies and respective amplitudes of the 2.8 MHz point of load regulator, and the other showing the frequencies and respective amplitudes of each of the individual harmonics in the 125 MHz oscillator.